Someone requested how I make my coffee roaster, so here it is. I'm making one now. Not too bad. First, it has to be environmentally friendly, sustainable, durable, easy to repair, and hopefully look nice. To be environmentally friendly, I've salvaged wood from furniture, color coordinating it. For the main stand, I use one with a nice wood grain. The bolts, drum, faceplate, these are stainless steel 304. Stainless steel 304 is much better than 201. 304 will not rust. The rods are hardened steel, which I use to make my CNC machine, so this also won't rust. The way I place this motor, it is easily removable by just undoing these 4 nuts and 2 smaller ones at the coupling. But don't worry, this is a very durable motor. I've been using my first coffee roaster for over 3 years and it never gave me a problem. What type of motor did I use? ...60 kTYZ, 220 volt AC, 60 R, 60 round per minute. Not forgetting the little details when cutting the biscuit tin out. I try to position the words here, some lantern here, and not forgetting the lion head. These parts are easily available online. The difficult one to buy will be this side glass. So if you are interested to know where I bought this from, please comment down below. Where's the challenging part to make this roaster? It's making everything straight. Making all this support rod, and most importantly, the shaft in the middle straight. And the only way to do it is with a CNC machine. So if you do not have a CNC machine, don't try to make this, because the drum, when you turn on, it will go all over the place. And with the CNC machine, I was able to make this with the ball bearing, because it is very difficult to it is very difficult to fit the ball bearing in if it's not precise. So here there's 3, 1, 2, and 1 ball bearing. At the motor support. The other difficult thing to make is this cover. Especially when it's dual layer. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.